What if I told you some people can never get sick, even when everyone around them is falling ill? We all know someone who rarely catches a cold or flu, even during big outbreaks. But some people take this to an extreme level. They seem almost immune to diseases that affect everyone else. This is not just luck, it's science. There are rare individuals with special genetic mutations that give them superpowered immune systems. For example, some people have a mutation that makes them naturally resistant to HIV. Their cells literally block the virus from entering. Others have what scientists call golden blood, an extremely rare blood type that makes them almost universal donors, but also gives them unique protection. How did these people exist? Their immune systems are highly efficient. They produce stronger antibodies, better killer cells, or have genes that repair damage faster than normal people. From a medical point of view, studying these super responders is giving scientists clues on how to make better vaccines and stronger immunity for everyone. The exciting part, we are learning that lifestyle, diet, sleep, and even mindset can influence how strong our immune system becomes. While we may not have their exact genes, we can still train our bodies to become more resilient. In this video, we will explore 4 such mysterious and scary medical realities that show how complex and sometimes fragile the human body really is. Imagine never being able to sleep again. Not for days, not for weeks, but forever. This is the horrifying reality of a rare genetic disease called Fatal Familial Insomnia, also known as the sleep thief. It starts with normal insomnia. You have trouble falling asleep. Then it gets worse. You stop sleeping completely. Your brain literally forgets how to sleep. FFI is caused by a prion disease, the same type of misfolded proteins we talked about in Kuru. It attacks a specific part of the brain that controls sleep. As the disease progresses, patients suffer from severe panic attacks, hallucinations, complete loss of sleep, rapid weight loss, and finally, total loss of bodily functions. Most people with this disease die within 7 to 18 months after symptoms begin. What makes it even scarier is that it runs in families. If one parent has the mutated gene, there's a 50% chance their child will inherit this death sentence. There is no cure. No treatment can bring back the ability to sleep. This rare condition shows us how important sleep is, not just for rest, but for keeping our brain alive. Without it, the human body and mind slowly shut down. Have you ever argued with your friends about something you remember clearly, only to find out it never happened? This strange phenomenon is called the Mandela effect. It got its name because thousands of people clearly remember Nelson Mandela dying in prison in the 1980s. But in reality, he was released from prison and became president of South Africa. He died in 2013. This is not just one mistake. There are hundreds of examples. Many people remember the children's book series as Berenstain Bears with an E, but it's actually Berenstain Bears. Some clearly remember a movie called Shazam starring Sinbad as a genie, but no such movie ever existed. Others swear the Monopoly Man has a monocle. He doesn't. So what's happening inside our brains? From a medical and brain science point of view, this happens because our memory is not like a perfect video recording. Our brain is constantly reconstructing memories. It fills in gaps with what feels right. When many people share the same false memory, it becomes a collective false memory. This shows how easily our minds can create convincing realities that never actually happened. The Mandela effect proves something scary. Even our memories, the things we trust the most, can be wrong. but there's a silent invasion happening right now inside all of us. It's called microplastics, and they have already reached your brain. These are tiny pieces of plastic, smaller than a grain of sand. They come from plastic bottles, clothes, food packaging, and even the air we breathe. Every week, the average person eats, drinks, or inhales the equivalent of one credit card worth of plastic. Recent studies have found microplastics inside human blood, organs, placentas, and now directly in the brain. Once inside the brain, these particles can trigger inflammation and interfere with normal brain function. Scientists are still studying the long-term effects, but early research links them to increased risk of neurological problems, memory issues, and other health complications. The scariest part? This is a completely man-made problem. We created the plastic, and now it's invading every part of our body, even crossing the blood-brain barrier that is supposed to protect us. This silent invasion shows how our modern lifestyle is quietly changing our biology in ways we are only beginning to understand. Tell me in the comments, which of these 4 medical mysteries scared you the most? Hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Thank you for watching. Take care of your body. It's the only one you have. See you in the next video.